Types of malware. 1. A virus. A program that replicates itself and spreads to other computers. 2. Trojan. A type of malware that disguises itself as a legitimate software but performs malicious activities. 3. A worm. A self-replicating malware that spreads over networks. 4. Ransomware. A type of malware that encrypts a user's files and demands payment to restore access. 5. War. Software that displays advertisements and tracks user behavior. 6. A spyware. Software that gathers information about a user's activities without their knowledge. 7. A rootkit. Malware that gives an attacker complete control over a system and hides their presence. 8. A banking malware. Malware designed to steal financial information and compromise online banking transactions. 9. A backdoor. A type of malware that provides unauthorized access to a system. 10. A cryptogenic malware. Malware that hijacks a computer's resources to mine cryptocurrency.